If you're wanting to get the most healing out of your Qigong practice, one of the first principles that you have to develop is otherwise known as Fa Song Gong, which is the ability to know how to release and relax the whole body, starting layer by layer, from the skin to the muscles to the tissues, all the way down to the organs. And the reason why we want that is for better circulation, so we can detoxify all the toxins out more effectively while we simultaneously take in all the nutrients and essential things that the body needs. This is the most efficient way to our healing path with Qigong. Let's go. So when we begin our Qigong practice, one of the first things we want to do is just relax and loosen the body. So first thing I'd like to do is just bounce the body in place, shaking out any of the stiffness or hardness the body has been holding on to. We sit for hours every day, we look at screens every day, we're in cars, or we're doing repetitive motions that otherwise cause this tightening, this stiffening in the joints and in the tissues, all the way down to the bones. We just want to release, let that go through just a simple bounce. So notice I'm bouncing from the center of my body. I'm not just keeping my legs still and using my arms, or I'm not just keeping my arms still and bouncing my legs. I'm really trying to bounce from that center point of the body and let the arms, the legs, just be loose, so everything can just move with more fluidity and ease. That's it. Shaking it out. And we can raise our arms up, just kind of fling them out, up or out, as we keep that bounce going, just increasing that lymphatic drainage all the way through, up to the sides, out in front, and back down. Great. So if you do this correctly, within a few minutes, your whole body's more open and buzzing. And then we just relax into our standing posture we call Wuji. So we begin the process of taking our mind, whatever place it's been in throughout the day, and bring it, soak it down into our body. And as we do that, we feel like things are just settling and sinking down into a relative relaxed posture. Now we say in Tao medicine and in Chinese medicine that the root of all disease and disharmony in the body comes from an imbalance of yin and yang. So this first movement will simply be hands at our side, one side of the body, the yang, the other side of the body, yin, and we move the body by shifting our weight to one leg and then shifting our weight to the other. Nice and easy. And now what I'm going to do as I shift my weight into whatever leg, the opposite hand floats up. Nice and easy. And the beautiful thing about this is you'll start to feel almost like, you know, when you push a ball down in the water, there's that buoyancy that pushes it back up. And that's what starts to feel like. There's like a resistance that lifts the arm up rather than you using your muscles. Up and down as you shift. Relaxing the tissues on the side of the body down to the legs, throughout the whole body. It's good reason why when we were all one-time babies, why our mothers and fathers used to rock us back and forth. There's a very soothing quality that comes over the nervous system as we do that. Make sure you open up the Lao Gong point, the center of the palm as you do this, so you get maximum benefit and flow down to the center of the palm and out. So very little movement here. But if I do this correctly, I'm very relaxed. I start to release the tissue, letting go the body, with this rock. Good. Then bring your hands down by your side back to Wu Ji for a moment. Just rest. Notice any of the changes you're aware of. Very important part of the process. One is the active part of the exercise, but the other is the non-active. We return back to Wu Ji and allow all the processes that we've opened up to settle and integrate into our body. Great. Next one we're going to do will be our second one of this set that we'll be doing in this video. We're going to scoop down. So we bend our knees and we sit down, scooping up something from the earth. And our fingertips are going to point up. And as we do that, we start to lift the head, stretch the spine out, lifting up. And the arms begin to rotate up and out. And as soon as you get to about this level, I know you get the power V here, then just let your arms go. We do that again. Scooping up. So if you have trouble bending down, just go where it feels comfortable. If this is as far as you go, that's fine. But it's encouraged to try to go down to the ground, scooping up. So if you can't do that in your first time, practice this daily. And each time you do it, you'll notice you'll open up a little bit more. And then just let the arms go. Make sure the arms come down and hit the sides. That's an important part of the release of the Fa Song Gong. Again, down, as I was saying, each time you do this, you'll find your body opens up more flexibility, more range of motion, and along with that, internal circulation. Rotate the arms, stretching out, but I'm staying in my base. I'm not coming ungrounded. Stay in my base, and then just let the arms go. Isn't that fun? Down again, scooping up, rotate the palms up and out. Feel that lengthening in the spine and down. scooping up. A few more. Now you're really feeling more open, released, and hopefully more relaxed from the inside out. Yeah, it's good to take a moment after each time you do that. It's a wonderful release each time. And one more time, reaching up, really feeling that in the spine, and let go. And then now just return back to your Wuji. Feel your body more open, relaxed, happier inside, which brings you into a greater state of tranquility and stillness. This is the place where we really manifest our best self, our dreams. The best blessings come. And as we spend more and more time here, we bring and share these blessings in all of our relationships with our work, our family, our friends, and our day. So always important as you close your session for today, make sure you have a smile on your face and you make sure that smile connects down to your heart. So you smile and feel blessed by the work you've done with me today. Have a blessed day, everyone. And please go ahead and grab your free healing meditation below in the links. And make sure you check out some of my other videos with Qigong. And especially for those of you that are suffering with a chronic illness, we have plenty of material and videos, free stuff here to help you on your healing journey. Take good care, everyone.